Hi, this is Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can use EFT tapping to help with your aches and pains. Now, the most important thing is that you check with your doctor first and you see if there's something serious. Then obviously you need to check that out. Now, if you're okay to tap on your aches and your pains, first of all tune in to the level, the intensity of the ache or pain in this moment. So let's say you've got a pain in your shoulder, so you just have to assess on a scale from 0 to 10, where 0 there's no pain at all, and 10 there's the most intense pain, what your level of pain is right now. That's the first thing to do. The next thing is to actually tune into the type of sensation of this ache or pain. So is it a stabbing pain? Is it an ache? Is it a sharp pain? Is it a tingling pain? Is it like pins and needles? So as if you were describing it to a friend. So just tune into the type of sensation that you're experiencing. And if you can't think of a word to describe it, just say that sensation, but tune into what you're talking about. Now then tune into exactly where it is. So if it's in your left shoulder, is it in the whole shoulder? Is it the front of the shoulder, the middle of the shoulder? Is it in your bone? Is it in the joint? Just get really, really specific about where you're feeling that sensation. And then if that sensation had a colour, what would the colour be? And for some of you that might seem like a weird question, but just say the first thing that pops into your head. And then lastly, if that sensation had an emotion, what would the emotion be? So let's say you had a pain in your shoulder, it was a stabbing pain, it was right in the centre of the joint, and it had a blue colour, and it felt like frustration. Then the way that you would tap on the setup statement is you would say, even though I have this blue stabbing pain in the centre of my shoulder joint, and it feels like frustration, I accept myself and this pain anyway. And then you tap through the points, and you don't have to repeat all the phrases at every point, but you just say a reminder phrase. So you could say, in my shoulder, the centre of my shoulder joint, blue pain, frustrating, stabbing pain, and just repeat those until you've tapped through all the points twice through, and then assess the level of your pain again and tune in. Is it still blue? Is it still frustration? Is it still a stabbing pain? And just check through and see how it's changed. And next time you tap, you evolve what you say. So even though you say, even though I have some of this pain left, it's now not an 8 out of 10, it's a 5 out of 10. And it feels like it's more on the surface of my skin, and it's not so much of a stabbing, but more of an ache. And now it's not, it's a lighter blue. I deeply and completely accept myself. And then you tap through the points saying these new statements. And you keep tapping and the pain disappears. Now, in my experience, sometimes pain can shift within just 2 or 3 rounds. Sometimes, obviously, it takes a lot longer. So there's no reason why you shouldn't give it a go. Now, if you've got other physical issues, which, let's say, it's a problem but you're not feeling it right now, like recurrent migraines or other kind of things that come and go, there are other ways of working on those kind of physical issues. But that's more than what I can explain in this video. So if you download our free EFT manual at eft-courses.org.uk, you'll be able to find out how to work with all manner of physical issues. So I'd love to know how you've got on with this video. Please do share it in the comments below. And if you've benefited, please click the share button so that other people can benefit too. Bye.